Ah, hello. It's another day. Everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food. Yeah, today it's kind of hot. And I have an ongoing joke. You give me a can of beans, an onion, and maybe a can of tomatoes, and I'm going to make dinner. Well, we're kind of testing the limits on that one today. So, I got some olive oil. Yeah, that's the pricey stuff. I got some sherry vinegar. Ooh, bad stuff. I got some crushed red pepper flakes. Yeah, this is starting to be a bad omen. A little bit of cumin. And this is one heck of a salad dressing, isn't it? And a little bit of coriander. Oh yeah. And some lime juice. That's a lot of flavor. Let me mix that up a little bit. Whoa. That's good. So, I got a can of black beans. Drained but not rinsed. We like all that goody stuff in the bottom. Yeah, there's a lot of starch in the bottom of this can. So, I got a can of corn. Whole kernel, you know, not cream style, just corn. Again, drained but not rinsed. And I got a can of diced tomatoes. Okay, that already is a pretty decent flavor combination. You know, you stir that around, get some of that salad dressing in there. But, delightfully, that's not all. I got one red and one, in this case, yellow. It should have been green, but it's what they had at the market. Bell pepper. Cut it in half, pulled out the core, put it on the parchment paper, threw it in the oven for half an hour. So roasted peppers. I have not peeled them. I want every bit of that flavor in there. We have very few ingredients, so every bit of flavor is important. Okay. Let's see what we got, huh? That's pretty good. I got a handful of chopped cilantro. A couple of green onions. And I think we're going to need a little bit of salt in there. So I'm going to toast up some tortillas on the griddle pan to serve with this. That's good. So, surprise. That's dinner. Can of corn, whole kernel, can of black beans, can of diced tomatoes, cumin, coriander, sherry vinegar, olive oil, red pepper flakes, a little bit of salt, green onions, and cilantro. Beans. People have been doing them for thousands of years. There are millions of ways to do them. This is just another one. That's it. That's dinner. I might throw some sour cream on top just for fun. This is social media. Please be good societal citizens and subscribe. Share, like, all that good stuff too. Thank you. Goodbye.